Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. You're doing your live stream, always keep the replay in mind. There will be those who come in while you're live. I've seen other people talk about let's wait till others come in. We're waiting around. And remember, it's before you record your live stream and after your live stream. Some people are going to come in after the live stream and they're going to get value if you keep that in mind. So think about your hook. Think about what you're going to say. So what I've learned to do along my journey with my YouTube channel, whenever I'm doing a live stream, I make sure that first thing that comes out of my mouth is scripted out. But that's one part of my live stream that I know what I'm going to say, because as soon as people click that, they may be watching it on the replay. I want them to be able to know that they're in the right place. And so when you're doing your live stream, it's a power tactic. Use your live stream, keeping the replay in mind. And as long as you hit that first couple of words right on point, the first 10, 15 seconds, that's going to be so important when it comes to the replay value of your live stream. But you never want to start your live stream waiting around to see what others are going to do, waiting around to see who's coming in. You want to realize that some people are watching it on the replay and they want to know that they hit the right button, they're in the right place at the right time. And also keep in mind that live streams is a great way to elevate your channel, to let people get to know you behind the scenes. So keep that in mind. Your replay value is going to be so important when it comes to doing your live streams, because that video is going to be up on your channel for a long time, hopefully, right? You want that to be up there for a long time if you're in this for the long game. Now, if you're someone who's just doing YouTube for having fun, then these things may not apply. So I'm learning to use every opportunity to learn different lessons. There's nothing impossible. One of the problems that I've ran into on my journey is getting noticed. Talk about that algorithm, right? A lot of times, all we need to do is get our videos out there. I want you to check out this video right here. I think that would be great for you to watch next. So check that video out. Enjoy that. Gotta show some love for my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.